Today I was out for a hike and harvested a piece of wood so I could try working on wood carving skills using Mors Kochanski's little guide on making a tri-stick, which is just full of all kinds of great diagrams. Shows you how to do all the different cuts and carving, and it's just really a lot of fun. Helps you to improve your knife handling skills. Today I'm using a barrel leg jackknife. These are from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It's a packy knife, horn handles. You can also get them in bone, I believe. I really like it. It's kind of like a 18th or 19th century clasp knife. But Mors' little document walks you through different carving skills. So you bevel the end, do the pot hook cut, a saddle cut, log, kind of a log notch cut, square. Here's a square miter type cut, V-notch, spear notches, reduction, another kind of a miter cut, making a hole for a lanyard, dovetail, and then just another rounded off cut. So just a lot of fun. If you get through this without cutting yourself, I think you're on the right track. I did not do so today. I did not cut myself, so I'm happy. But I'll put the link below. You can get this this document from. You can't download it directly. You got to request it from KARAMAT Wilderness Ways. KARAMAT Wilderness Ways. That's Mors Kochanski's page, and I'll put the link below. The tri-stick document is free. You don't have to pay a fee for it. They'll email it to you, and I would definitely encourage you to get a hold of it and try it out. It's a lot of fun, and it's a great way to improve your carving skills. So just a little tip there, and we'll talk to you later.